Welcome back, bookworms. This is Mrs. K. I'm glad you could join me. I bet this book looks familiar to you. That's because I read it back to you last March. Well, there was a bonus story in the book, and I'm going to read that to you today. It's about a boy who discovers a crocodile in his bath, and boy is it funny. Let's enjoy the magic of reading as we read together Crocodile Bath, written by Randy Johnson and illustrated by Rick Sanders, and see what happens to the boy, the bath, and the green crocodile.
Ba 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 da crocodile bath ba 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 da 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 da. Bath time at my house is always such fun, and I couldn't wait to take my next one. I was ready to plunge into my private sea. There were mountains of bubbles just waiting for me. But the water looked odd, like nothing I'd seen. Something was in there, and that something was green. When out of the water with a big toothy smile, popped a soap-covered, shower-capped green crocodile. Oh my. Hey, that bath is for me, I shouted at him. There is hardly much room now for me to get in. I wasn't pleased and I told him as much. Baths are for people, not reptiles and such. But he wasn't leaving, and that bath looked so good, I figured I might as well do what I could. So I shared my warm bath with a green crocodile, and to tell you the truth, it did not make me smile. It did not make me happy, it did not make me laugh to have a green crocodile sharing my bath. He hogged the whole tub, almost every free space, and his tail kept splashing soap suds in my face. Oh my. The soap stung my eyes, and while they were still smarting, strange bubbles appeared 'cause the croc started farting. Next, he squirted shampoo on the ceiling and wall till the bottle was empty. He squirted it all. Oh my. I had soap in my mouth and my nose in my ears. He was farting so much that it fogged up the mirrors. A knock on the door and the croc grabs his towel. Out the window he goes, leaving me with a scowl. In marches my mother, who gives me a glare. Her bathroom's a mess. I'm the only one there. No more baths now for me, at least not for a while, and never again with a green crocodile. Well, bookworms, if you enjoyed Crocodile Bath, be sure to check it out at your local library or buy a copy for yourself from your favorite bookstore. If you enjoyed my Read Aloud video, please give it a thumbs up and become an official bookworm and subscribe. Until next time, enjoy the magic of reading.